cruise mode. I travel across the desert having heard news of an abandoned Cryon outpost where I can find plenty of older mech models and generators. I squint into the monitor, the main camera lens having filled up with too much of the tan, brownish sand to ignore. I pull the jump lever and the sand instantly clears, revealing the bot next to me, another sentient pilot, assigned to salvage the scrap with me. I hit the comm.
Hey, you see that building in front of us? It's bigger than I thought it'd be. I think this is our lucky day.
I thumbed the boosters and raced there.
They say some crazy diabolical shit happened in these old Cryon factories. Looks like we'll get to see it firsthand. Let's go.
Intercepted radio communication on a routine patrol. Relaying information to Prosk HQ and awaiting further orders.
Truthel, standing by. Located potential salvage mission from sentient pilots. Over.
Everything is quiet inside the grated Hephrem cockpit. Only the low staccato thumps of its boxy feet grinding against the sand and rock manage to reverberate their way into my climate-regulated domain. The Reaper in front of me buzzes something over the comm that I can't quite make out. I jam my finger under my helmet to work the strap loose and get a better fit over my ear.
What was that, Mac?
The Reaper's voice crackles to life.
Said that I heard some real shady stuff used to go down out here. Tight-lipped special op projects and whatnot. Stuff people like you and me never hear about.
Naturally, I was a bit skeptical about the whole thing. We were sure that most of those old Cryon factories were totally closed up. And yet something about Mac's tone in those last few words makes my stomach curl into a knot. I shake the errant thoughts from my head and plunge the control sticks forward, my mighty, rust-eaten Hephrem struggling to keep up with the sleeker and more refined spree as it cuts through the sandstorm like a snake. The sand and dust being kicked up in this arid wasteland must be causing interference with my comm link back to Prosk HQ. I try hailing again.
This is Patrol Unit Bravo 7. Do you copy? Bravo 7 to base. Do you copy?
As I flip the switch on my dashboard to end my transmission, I wait for a reply, my heart in my mouth. Every second is another second those sentient rust buckets have to make off with whatever is inside that outpost. Must be big. I can see more mechs making their way in across the horizon. Seconds pass and turn to minutes. Still nothing but static in my headset. I have no idea if my message reached back to HQ or not. And there's no way I can take that many mechs on my own in this berserker. I make a decision. Turn and burn for the nearest Prosk outpost. With any luck, I can relay the intel in time for some action to be taken.